Today I'm going to show you how to make this motion graphics in Canva. Go to videos and open new video project. Click in the background, go to colors, scroll down to gradient, go back to colors, choose the circular gradient. We are going to use these elements and you can upload your own images if you want. Drag the element to the design, edit image, scroll down to shadows, choose neon, change the color to white, increase the size, the blur amount, the intensity, rotate and resize. Let's make it in this corner and add your text. Change the fonts. Let's use broader font. Size it. Change the color to white. Go to effects. Lift. Increase the intensity. Copy the style from the first text and paste it in the second one. And now let's animate. Click the cake element, animate, scroll down to baseline, choose the right direction, click on both and reverse exit animation. Select text, animate, baseline, choose the direction from the right to the left, click both, reverse exit animation, and decrease the timing to just 3 seconds or as you want. And now go to elements and type splash graphics. Go to these filters, choose animated, scroll down, let's use this one, resize it and make it exactly with the corner of this element. Go to layers, show layers, make it behind this element but make it above the text. Click in the splash element, show timing and make it appear after the first element finished. Make just 1 second. And make the same for the last elements. You can rotate them as you want, make of any corner you want, and make the same effects. And here is the 3 of them that I already made. For the next one, we are going to use 3 of them at the same time. Resize to make them small and make them behind layers. Show layers. Add new text. Change the font. Change the color to white. And make Delectable. And drag the text to the top until disappear, but keep just this transparent part inside the frame. And select these elements, animate, this line to the top, and duplicate this page. Drag this elements, resize them a little bit, and resize this one as well, make it smaller, and make them behind, and drag the text from the top and add transition, touch and move, increase the duration, and now we are going to add the splash effect. Resize it, make it in the middle, go to layers and make it behind, and control the timing. Make just 1 second. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.